Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to install Discord app in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Play Store. Now in the search bar, you have to search for Discord. Now here you can see the option of Discord app. You have to install this. Now click on open. Now you have to create an account. That's it. So this is how to install Discord app in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.